Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. Today we're diving into a big question. Will AI take your job? Let's find out. According to a 2018 McKinsey study, up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be automated by 2030. That's a staggering number, right? Let's talk specifics. Industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are at high risk. Imagine robots assembling cars, self-driving trucks, or AI chatbots handling customer inquiries. Experts agree on the potential scale of job displacement. Take it from AI specialist Kai-Fu Lee, who predicts that 40% of the world's jobs could be replaced by AI within the next 15 years. But don't panic just yet. There are ways to stay ahead of the curve. First, reskilling and upskilling are crucial. It's all about continuous learning. Jobs in data analysis, AI development, and digital marketing are booming. Keep learning new skills to stay relevant. Education and training play a key role. Institutions and governments must provide relevant programs to prepare the workforce. Think coding boot camps, AI courses, and tech certifications. Policy initiatives can also make a big difference. Job retraining subsidies and tax incentives for AI-related industries can help workers transition smoothly. Some even propose a robot tax to fund these programs. And hey, don't forget innovation and entrepreneurship. Starting your own business or developing innovative solutions can open new doors. So to sum it up, AI is transforming the job market, but with the right strategies, we can adapt and thrive. Stay informed, keep learning, and be proactive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you next time. #automation bias, #lifelong learning, #gig economy, #ethical AI, #future skills.